Want to have the perfect grilling experience? We scanned Amazon to find the best grilling gadgets that will help you create the most delicious dishes. Make sure to follow our tops till the very end to not miss out on any. Digital meat thermometer. Want to make sure the meat is well done? This instant thermometer takes a temperature in as little as 3 seconds. Waterproof and built for durability, it can be washed under running water. The easy-to-read luminous LCD screen displays the temperature for any dish you prepare. The smart wireless meat thermometer. Lift your grilling to the next level. This wireless smart thermometer is what every grill chef needs. The 165-foot-long range model can monitor the internal meat temperature up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit and the external temperature up to 527 degrees Fahrenheit simultaneously. It is dishwasher safe and comes with a guided cook system that will guide you step by step to guarantee perfect results. Easily connect it to your phone, set up custom alerts, and have everything under control. The cast iron grill press. Create beautiful looking grill marks on steaks, chicken, or vegetables with this press. The press is constructed of durable cast iron, ensuring long-lasting use and reliability. The coiled steel handle is heat-resistant, making the press easy to move around your grill. You can also use the press to press away unwanted oils and fats, making your food healthier. Marshmallow roasting sticks. Want to roast sweet marshmallows or sausages on an open fire? This telescoping fork set made from stainless steel and with wooden handles will make it easy. The 2 non-sharp prongs will hold your food, and the 32-inch long sticks will keep you at a safe distance from the fire. They are easy to clean and come in a handy bag. Grill mat set. Keep your grill clean without sacrificing any taste or the iconic grill marks. The grill mats are thin enough to leave grill marks and flavor intact, and thick enough to provide heat resistance and durability. They are non-stick, so you can grill without grease, and they are reusable for years. The grill mats are made without any dangerous chemicals. BBQ Tool Set. This practical 25-piece set contains all you need for a great barbecue. It includes a power tong, kebab skewers, chef's spatula, as well as many other accessories to ensure that your meat is juicy, tender, and delicious. The pieces are extra large with a length of 16 inches and made of stainless steel to last longer than aluminum products. Shredder claws. The bear paws are the easy answer to perfectly shredded meat without the mess and headache of knives and forks. Easily grasp and shred pork, chicken, beef, and more with the ultra-sharp claws. Made of BPA-free nylon and heat-resistant up to 475 degrees. Never worry about your shredding tools melting near the grill or in the dishwasher. The unique design gives you a perfect handhold for safely managing the super sharp shredding blades. Grilling gloves. Protect your hands when working at the grill. These gloves are made of BPA silicone and are heat resistant from -104 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. The surface texture is waterproof and provides a strong, non-slip grip. The inside is made of heat-resistant cotton that is comfortable to wear. After use, you can wash them in the washing machine. Grill brush. Your grill deserves some love and maintenance after every party. This barbecue grill brush with a stainless steel scraper can easily scrub any stubborn gunk with little effort. 3 times more bristles than traditional grill brushes will help you clean your grill much faster and with less effort. This brush is made of stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about rust. Grill cover. Every grill should be properly stored and covered after using it. These grill covers come in various sizes for any grill brand. They are rip-proof, UV, and water-resistant. The heavy-duty PVC-lined Oxford material will keep your grill well protected. The cover is fitted with side straps to guarantee tightness for extreme outdoor conditions. We hope our list inspired you to find the missing pieces for your perfect grill experience. Do you have any other suggestions? Please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.